3, 2, 1. We should be live again. Welcome to the Crypto Factor live stream part 2. If you can see us, if you can hear us, if you love us, if you miss us, go ahead and tell us in the chat. We just had a really bad disconnection and could not continue the previous live stream. If you're just joining us, hey, guess what? We do these live streams every week and sometimes we screw up, but we do these live streams every week. We're here with Derek, giving away $833 today, giving away lots of knowledge, giving away lots of value, giving away love, and I'm just making up stuff so people can join this channel, to join the stream, because we got screwed earlier on. Derek, thank you for joining us again, by the way.
Thanks for having me.
There you go. Oh yeah, we're back, says Baron Cohen. Nothing can keep us down. No one can keep us down. We are gonna... Okay, I'll stop. So there's a few people saying we're back. So yeah, man. Oh man, I'm glad we're back. So yeah, that live stream went down, but hey, we're back now. So we're gonna continue our discussion. If you're just joining us, we're just gonna continue answering questions from the chat. We're giving away $833 pretty soon. We talked about the Metaverse. We talked about a few things, man. We had a cool discussion. Lost my train of thought, of course, but we had a pretty cool discussion, and we're gonna continue that, and we're gonna make it worth your while. So like this video for support, because you know you have to like, you know, things that go wrong. I would actually give it a thumbs down if I was you, but that's between me and you. And subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button if you don't want to miss the next video. What were we talking about, Derek? What were we talking about, man?
I do not remember the last thing that we were talking about, I'll be honest, but I knew that we were going to go talk about the Bitcoin bull market, so I know we can go there.
We were going to be talking about that, so let's talk about that, and then we're going to go back in the chat. Maybe somebody can actually remind us what we were talking about before we were rudely interrupted by the internet service, which actually decided to turn off during my live stream because we were giving some valuable knowledge that nobody knows about. It just cut us right there. Cut us right when we got juicy, right when we got to the point. So... Bitcoin price. I'm gonna look at my phone because I'm scared to do it here right now. Everyone's making videos every day on the Bitcoin price and nothing has changed. Let me explain what I mean. Nothing has changed in the sense that we're still in the same range. It's exactly the same. We need to break 52K. 52K we need to break is where the 200-day moving average is where the prior swing high is. We need to break that on the upside so we can continue this bull market. If we go below 41K, 40K psychological, and we close below that, that will take us down to 30K. Now sure, we might have a V-shaped recovery there. It could be healthy, we don't know. But at the same time, if we go under 40K and close below it, it's a potential bear market, or at least would confirm we were in a bear market up to now. So as long as we hold above 40, 41K, and I actually said that we are going to hold on top of this average more than likely a few weeks ago, and we did. We now need to break the 45, 46K range so we can go and try out 52K again. And if we break 52K, bull market continues. Anything else that YouTubers are talking about, today we're going to do this with the 44K, it's bullshit because this range is the same. Repeat after me. The range is the same. Everything else is just to make videos every day, so this is just relevant. The range is the same. Say it, Derek. What's the range?
The range is the same.
The range is the same. So that's what I want to say about Bitcoin. Don't get fooled. You don't need to watch the same message or by 10 different YouTubers every day. Choose and you don't need to do these. You just keep saying the range is the same. Right? We just need to break 52K for this bull market to continue. Probability-wise, always, this is all probabilities. This is not 100%. Technical analysis reads psychology of the markets and is based on probabilities. Nothing is 100%. Nothing. Right? It just gives you probabilities. Now we have enough people in the chat. Let's see what we have here. Whole bunch of people are back. Chili's, thanks. What kind of question? Tell us about Chili's. All right, I think okay, Chili's it's a play. It's an NFT Metaverse play, correct? So if the Metaverse gaming sector goes up, which I think it will, Chiliz will inevitably gain some momentum. That said, Chiliz is a pretty strong project. It's not a small project in that field. So I think it would do pretty good. So as long as this bull market continues, right, as long as, and gaming doesn't go anywhere, which it won't, right, I think it will do very well. So it's a pretty good pick. Derek, do you agree?
Chili's is a strong project, man. And I'll tell you also that, as you mentioned, gaming is going nowhere. We actually recently started working with a group here, High Point Gamer, in Tampa, Florida, with their esports initiatives, doing some esports tournaments and working with their esports athletes. And I will tell you, esports is not going anywhere. It's growing and growing and growing. I mean, I know adults who are literally over the age of 40 who are getting into video games. Kind of understand that they're getting into video games. Yeah. And so this is something that's really expanding, and people are starting to understand that this is something that is not just a game, right? People are making money off of it. It's an industry now. And even for professional athletes, it actually improves their hand-eye coordination. You know, so this is also performance enhancement. Yeah.
Plus, if you combine that with the Metaverse as well, and you get to play in the Metaverse, what we were talking about earlier on, we were talking about some deep shit in the other video, man. That was some deep stuff.
It is.
A lot of people say $833 more today. Yeah, we're gonna be doing that very, very soon, actually. I need a new fishing reel. Hey, man, I love fish. Oh, hey, we're fishing. How you doing, man? I fish too, man. By the way, I do surf casting and spinning.
Yes, fishing is an awesome time. Awesome time. I've been shark fishing before. Very interesting.
David Connolly says, with the development of Web.3, could this be a good time to buy the graph? I talked about the graph before. I think it's an insane project. I think it's an amazing project. We talked about it like last year, and I said it's before its time.
Yeah.
And I still think it's before its time. Now, no financial advice. Do your own shit, right? Don't blame me if it just goes sky high and you're like, oh my God, well, no.
Yeah,
I'm just saying. Huh?
I'll say, yeah, definitely do your own research.
Yeah.
I was actually speaking to someone about the graph the other day. It's a very interesting project. I think that what they're doing over there is going to resonate throughout the entire industry for a while.
All right, this one's for you, Derek. Aryesh Tamar says, I'm tired of hearing that we can't sell our units because Bitmart hasn't opened their withdrawals yet, and this is draining suspicion, just like Floki. Send your units back to me if you don't want.
I hear you, man. From your ears to mine, man. We are working as hard as we can with these guys to get this going, and we're the timetable. It looks like it's going to be the end of January, beginning of February. We should have everything running for everybody.
Yeah, and you have to understand that's not a United Coin problem. That's a Bitmart problem.
Yeah, this is a problem throughout the entire Bitmart ecosystem. You know, they're still recovering from what happened, and you know, just like any other company, they have bandwidth issues with their developers. You know, and we're one of thousands of cryptocurrencies on their platform.
There are,
and right. So it's a amount of time. It's just a matter of time.
Even SafeMoon, obviously, naturally has a problem. So put it that way. Hi to both of you. What's the roadmap for United Coin and BitBulls for the first quarter of 22? Are both technical and at both technical and marketing level? It's going to be one long video, man. Is Paul helping you in the project and vice versa? Great question, Mohammed. All right, so do you want to go first? Well, I'll go first. It's very fast. Yeah. And then we can go for, okay. BitBull's going to be released at the end of this month or the next month. We've got a celebrity coming on that's going to, I don't want to tell you what he's going to do. He's going to do something that hasn't been done before for the BitBulls, right? I'm not telling you that to FOMO in. You can't FOMO in anyway because it's not ready yet, so it's okay. Right. But we have a celebrity coming on board. We were working on a partnership which didn't go through. And when I say a partnership, I'm not talking about a partnership that's vital to the project, a marketing agreement. It just means that it's not going to go through and I'm going to end up doing the marketing myself, which is fine. Or train a team to do it. We've developed more of the Metaverse and the game. We've got new artwork coming out. So all this time that it hasn't come out, we're just building more and more and more on top of it. The YouTube channel will start soon. The Twitter promotional will start soon. We have a whole bunch of things starting soon. One thing about BitBulls is, even though we're ready, we have most of the tech out there, and you can see that, we're not rushing because we're not in it just to get everybody's money, trying to gather money and stuff like that. We're trying to make a difference. We're trying to do something big. We're trying to do something huge. So we're not in a rush. We could have been selling NFTs, up to now, right? In anticipation of these things are going to happen. We don't want that. We want to come out with a bam, and that's why a bang, and that's why I said it in Greek bam, and that's why we are a bit late on the release. As for if Derek is helping the project, I would like him to, and he probably will. If I hear you have a very, very nice, big, extensive email email address supply. Just saying. I'm just saying.
Yes, this is from another past life. But yes, United Coin definitely would love to help with BitBulls, and we're excited about esports in the metaverse. So that's right along our alley of what we're doing. And I can tell you right now, that's an absolute yes. Whenever you want to look into doing that even further, and we're actually working with you on another metaverse project. So, this is definitely already in play. The other metaverse project we cannot talk about right now. Yeah, that one's still under wraps. But just to give you a little bit of insight into the roadmap for United Coin for 2022, we're actually going to have debit cards that are going to be releasing in the United States. And so you'll be able to spend units just as cash in the United States. We're also going to be having debit cards releasing in Europe over 2022. In addition to that, for our SMS United Wallet feature, being able to send and receive units by SMS will be expanded to 200 additional countries outside of the United States. We're currently in SMS in the United States and also in WhatsApp and Google Voice. And then you'll also see some partnerships that we're going to be making with additional music artists and athletes. And that's going to have something to do with our Metaverse project that we have coming up.
And just so you understand, I'm actually working on partnered with a gaming company. I work with them, and we're focusing on blockchain and metaverse and stuff like that. So just so you know, we're doing a whole bunch of things.
Yes.
It's pretty awesome. So yeah, we are happy. We're actually friends. We're friends. We've worked before, and we became friends, and it's pretty cool. We have these shows that we're doing our own show pretty soon too. Maybe I'll dox that as well. We're going to start our own weekly, because right now it's just, Derek's just coming here on Sundays, which I love, but we're thinking about doing our own little show during the week, which I think is going to be awesome. You still up for that, Derek?
Oh, absolutely, man. Absolutely. I think that's going to be something that will be good for the people, good for the economy, good for the industry.
Yeah,
there's a lot of insights that we have, I think, that people will be interested in knowing about. And especially the questions that they have, if they want to get those out during the week, where we can help them with what they want to do in regards to their investments, and really just giving them some insights that they don't have. I think that'll be something that'll be good.
Wissam Gusaini is asking, why is FTM, that's Phantom by the way, flying? Price prediction end of year. I'll tell you this, I don't give end of year predictions. I never do. I always give end of bull run predictions. Right? So let's do that. FTM is flying because it's this time. It's just in hype right now. It's turn. Okay? A lot of money is getting out of Solana, and I'm not saying all money. I'm not saying Solana's not going to go up. I'm just saying a lot of other speculations are coming into FTM. And FTM is it is a solid project. That said, I'm looking at a top on FTM for about $8 to $10, and that's conservative. Can it go higher? Yes. But I'm seeing the top at $10 by the end of this bull market. I'll be taking profit at around $7 to $8. That's when I'll be taking most of my profit, and I'll be scaling up from there. Derek, what do you think, man?
Phantom's pretty good. It's pretty good stuff.
Yeah, it is.
Right? Phantom's pretty good stuff, right? I'm just really happy to see the growth in the market right now. Yeah. Phantom, where you said $8 to $10, that's a beautiful mark. That's a beautiful mark.
It's nice, conservative, yet not too conservative for the crypto market. You know what I mean? It's something realistic. We do realistic predictions on this on this channel. We don't talk about $1 million fucking Phantom. or a $1 safe moon. We don't do stupid predictions like that. We're pretty realistic. We try to be anyway.
Yeah, 8 to 10 is realistic. To be honest, a range of around $5 to $7 is also extremely realistic as well.
I'm a little bit
Yeah.
more optimistic on you on the boom on the
Oh
bull
yeah,
market.
yeah. I'm looking for strategic movements.
Okay. What are your
I mean,
thoughts?
$5 to $7, you're doubling right now.
Yeah, exactly. Well,
Come
I
on,
think it
man.
can go a little more than that. We'll see. QRDO, never heard of it. Don't know what that is. Token unlock, please. What? Unlock? Thoughts on QRDO token unlock? I don't know what that is. I haven't looked into it, so I can't really answer that. Barmy Deer, Cefi or DeFi, I like to be in both, and I agree. I think I like being in Cefi and DeFi, and even a mix of the two. In my opinion, both come with its own benefits and own disadvantages, and I think, each one has its own thing, right? What do you think, Derek?
This is one of my favorite topics now. Okay. A lot of people think CeFi and DeFi are at odds with one another, or somehow should not, like you have to choose one or the other. These are perfectly complementary aspects of blockchain technology.
Yes.
Right. So for me personally, right, I have seen things in the cryptocurrency space since 2014 that a lot of people may not have seen, right? I've seen a lot of hacks. I've seen even hardware wallets have issues, right? And so there's an aspect of CeFi that I love, which is insured wallets, right? If I can have cryptocurrency, which is the cutting edge technology in regards to finance, and have it in an insured cold storage wallet, then that's just as good as cash, right? This is just as good as USD, if not better, right? Because of all the technical specifications associated with the cryptocurrencies. Okay. Now, DeFi has amazing capabilities, amazing opportunities, right? Yields that you may not be able to get in CeFi. They have the opportunities to be able to participate in different types of services that you may not be able to get in CeFi. But that's what you do with it. You have a diversified portfolio, and your portfolio can be diversified amongst using CeFi and DeFi services to be able to accomplish your goals, right? And again, for me personally, it's all about insured wallets for me. I always go back. I always go back to this idea of my mother, right, holding cryptocurrency, right? We all have moms. Moms hold money, right? And if you have your mother holding money and she has a hardware wallet and she gets her wallet stolen, it's the exact same thing as if she got her purse stolen
Or lost.
right? Right? It's lost. It's gone. And so it's important to have also an aspect of those funds that are insured and held in cold storage by someone else who, in regards to any hacks, any issues, they're able to restore those funds. So that's where I lie within that.
Look at my girlfriend, okay? My girlfriend, smart girl, God bless her. She has her laptop, she has a Google account, she has a phone number, right? She has all that stuff. She has forgot her password 5 freaking times. 5 times she forgot her password. It is ridiculous. And she always changes it to something she can remember and forgets it. Okay, so when it comes to, I'm not going to say when it comes to women and passwords and blockchain, I'm not going to say that. But what I'm going to say is, because I forget passwords sometimes. Well, I don't.
All the time, yes.
No, I don't forget my passwords. I have my system.
Me neither. No, I could tell you this. I forget private keys, but I mean, those are a lot of digits.
Yeah. And it's not like you forgot your password to your iPhone and you can like unlock it and just change it real quick and whatever. If you lose your password to your hard wallet, that hard wallet becomes a relic.
It's not even a paperweight because they're light.
Exactly. No, you can use it as a USB stick.
Yeah, not even. No,
well, you can. If you have
if it has the pin code on it.
Oh shit! No, you can't. Can you?
It's
no,
done.
It's done. It's gone.
It's gone.
Ariesh Tomar says, sorry, can you tell us about the future plans and new listings and all about United Coin? Well, when you have 3 to 5 minutes, go.
Okay. All right. New developments.
All about United Coin, man. We have a video on that. We have a whole interview on this channel with Derek. We have another video with Derek. Go check out. Put United Coin in the search bar on the video page and you'll see all about it. But Derek, summarize, man.
Okay, so summarize, right? We have debit cards that are coming out this year. They're going to be in the United States and in Europe. In addition to that, we also have listing plans of being on some Ethereum dexes as well as Binance dexes. We have the ability to be able to take our smart contract and deport it to these other blockchains, and so we're looking at doing that. In addition to that, you're also going to see where you're going to see some expansions of our United Coin into partnerships with artists and to musicians. This is going to expand into the metaverse and also into esports and gaming. And I can't expound upon that too much, but it's going to be absolutely disruptive to the entire market. I can tell you right now. In addition to that, you'll also see that the ability to send units by SMS will be expanded to 200 plus countries over 2022. And then you'll also see that the actual technology of the digital wallet will be made available for people to be able to add it to their own websites and to be able to add it to other NFT marketplaces. So you'll actually be able to use your units in multiple marketplaces throughout the entire metaverse and also blockchain industry.
Awesome. Awesome. Great. Rio Green says, DOT is very undervalued coin. When DOT break out, what is your price prediction, Paul? Look, I don't have a price prediction for DOT except up, and it's going to break out as soon as people get bored enough of it. And that's when it's going to surprise people. When they start realizing you need DOT for parachains and so on, and it becomes more scarce, I think DOT's going to do very well. Derek, what do you think, man?
I literally was having an almost identical conversation about this, about another coin, but it applies perfectly to DOT as well. Once people understand that you cannot use Polkadot without DOT,
exactly.
It's going to be, people are going to be like, wait a minute. So I have to actually hold this cryptocurrency to use it? Yes.
And there's already projects on there as well. And
right. It's similar to what happened with Ethereum. You know, people were selling Ethereum, buying and selling Ethereum because they thought it was just another cryptocurrency. Oh, it's just another asset. Then they're like, wait a minute, I need Ethereum to be able to make NFTs. Wait a minute, I need Ethereum to be able to make transactions on Ethereum? Yes.
Yeah. Exactly. Hi, both. Do you think institutions wanting to get into DeFi, hi, both of you, says Ali Sharif. Do you both think that institutions wanting to get into DeFi would choose Terra's DeFi protocols over others? No, I don't think they will choose Terra's over others. I think some might have a look at it. I know where you're getting this information on. It's a YouTube channel that talks about this stuff. And I like the channel. I watch Banter as well. It's just that, did I just say the name? Crypto Banter? Okay, doesn't matter. I agree and disagree. Some institutions will want to get into Terra, the ones that want to do a riskier play and so on. But institutions generally wanting to get into DeFi, they're going to get into Ethereum. And the less and less people talk about Ethereum, just know Ethereum has a proof of concept. Right, it's got the most users. It's the most proof of. It's just there. You got the Ethereum Alliance, and I understand it's slow. I understand the fees, and the institutions don't care. They look for the future. They don't look about what's going on now, right? And they want something that can be like they're not going to lose their money to the next day. So I think Ethereum is going to be one of them. The riskier plays might be on Terra and other blockchains as well, but my opinion, they're going to get into Ethereum first. Derek, do you agree? Do you disagree? What do you think?
Institutions are not risky.
They're not risking, period.
They're risk averse, right? Most institutions are risk averse, okay? And so the only reason Terra is riskier than Ethereum is because it hasn't been around as long, and because it hasn't proven that it can do what it says that it can over a long period of time. That's it. Yeah. That's literally the only reason. Concept. So yeah, proof of concept. So what you're looking at right now is you're looking at the ability for people to be able to prove themselves why institutions are getting into the game. And I'm going to tell you something also now. Most institutions are not going to get into the game. They're going to buy out companies that are in the game.
Yeah, true.
They're going to actually connect with technologies that are already a part of the game. And so you're going to see a lot of plays where people are going to be getting into alliances, coalitions. You're going to see investments into companies, things like that. Even with DeFi, right? The one thing about DeFi that a lot of people have to understand, though, is that if there's any risk associated with a rug pull, there's any risk associated with someone being able to hack this system and it hasn't been proven, hasn't been an audited smart contract, don't even think about institutions getting involved. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it, because their risk is associated with not just losing their money, it's with losing everyone's money.
Yeah.
It's with affecting the entire system, not just their system, the entire monetary system. So they have to be very careful. They have to be delicate with the steps that they take.
So slow, boring, high fee Ethereum it is.
That's
I'm telling you, a lot of these channels, people are talking
that's
about.
what Swift was. That's what Swift was.
Exactly.
That's what wires were. That's what international wires are. Slow, methodical.
Exactly.
We know what's going to happen.
See, exactly, and you need to think. You need to think about the bigger picture. I know a lot of channels, a lot of people are getting crazy about all these. At the end of the day, it's what Derek said. They want to be safe. They want to be secure. They're not going to get into they're not going to get into SafeMoon. And there's not a pun on SafeMoon. I'm telling you, because I even heard that, wait till institutions come. They're not. Institutions are not going to get into SafeMoon. They're just not. I'd be very surprised if they did. Right? And not just SafeMoon. Other blockchains, Solana maybe. It's fully centralized. Solana maybe.
I could tell you right now, I had a conversation about Solana yesterday, and that made me very bullish on Solana.
Yeah.
I'm not going to talk about too much because I don't know if I'm allowed to talk about it, but I will tell you that it made me pretty bullish on them. They are smart.
Exactly.
What they're doing right now, from an infrastructure play, from what they're doing in regards to growing their ecosystem, is smart.
Exactly, I agree. I'm into Solana. I was one of the first channels talking about Solana, telling everyone to get into Solana. And people weren't listening. They weren't. They would have got into it for dollars. I did. Anyway, let's move on. Can Shiba Inu reach 1 cent till 2025 because there's a lot of transaction and burning supplies going on, Paul? What do you think, Derek? Do you think it can get to 1 cent in 2025?
Guys, on meme coins, I can't really give too much. I got to be honest. I understand the hype. I understand why people like them. I understand why they can be popular. I understand why they can have value in some instances. But they are meme coins, right? Like a meme is a meme. They have a title for a reason. Now, in regards to these specific groups, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, all of them, they have amazing communities, man.
Yeah.
And so you can start off as a meme coin and become something else, right? So Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, they might make that migration. They might make that great leap into being real coins. Who knows? But they are meme coins right now, right? I love their communities. I think that their communities need to make sure that the people who are in control of those coins get serious, right? And make sure that they do the right things to take care of their ecosystem, because they have a huge community and people are going to be affected by it, right? That's what I think. Now, in regards to price predictions of Shiba Inu, I have no idea if it's going to go to 1 cent. That's a great leap. That's a huge leap.
You know what I think? I think the institutions are coming to Shiba Inu. I don't think they're going to go to Solana or Ethereum. What? Watch somebody meme this clip from this video now and put it on Twitter or something and ridicule me. Obviously, okay, that was a joke. just letting you know. All right?
Oh.
It's called sarcasm.
Wow.
What are your thoughts? I'm a meme guy. I love my Doge. I have some Shibu, but let's stay realistic. I don't know about price either. What are your thoughts on Velas and Wagyu swap? By the way, we're gonna be giving away some units real quick. I'm gonna be giving away $833 any minute now. Stay tuned. Hit that like button. Show some support to this live stream. Don't forget to check out United Coin. It's unitedcoin.org after this this live stream, because Derek's gonna be giving away the money. I'm not gonna be giving away the money. He's going to be giving away the money. So make sure you visit him and give it a like to support. But do you have any thoughts on Velas?
Venice.
It says Velas. I don't know.
How are you spelling that?
Velas.
Oh, Velas.
And Wagyu swap, I have no idea about. Wagyu swap.
Wagyu swap, I mean, pretty much anything that's going to be working with swaps and dexes are going to get some value. You know, That's because that's the heart of the ecosystem, right?
What blockchain is it on? What is Wagyu swap on?
Oh, I was just on it.
Anyway, what about? Meanwhile, while Derek's looking that up, pre-sale for the community for Bitbulls. I'm thinking about it. I'm really thinking about it.
Wagyu's on Velas.
Yeah.
Wagyu's on the Velas blockchain.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay, cool. Oh, so Velas is a blockchain. Okay, I haven't looked into it at all. I haven't. I can't.
Yeah,
answer.
so usually what happens in these situations is when you have a new DEX that's put on a new blockchain, you get a little bit of an increase in both of those prices because you actually get access to it that wasn't there before, and brings in more liquidity. So it's usually a good play.
Cool. Ariesh Tomar has a question for you, Derek. Can you please what is going on with units? It's going up, and even in this crypto downtrend, why is units going up?
Ariesh Tomar, that is a great question. That is a really good question, man. And there's a lot of people who ask me this, and it's our structure. It's the structure of units. We're very different from other cryptocurrencies, right? So what makes us different, right? Whenever someone buys a unit, we take 25% of that purchase and we immediately put it into exchange liquidity, right? You'll see a lot of other cryptocurrencies out there. Their exchange liquidity is around 5 or 10% that they're taking from those purchases. We're taking 25% and putting it back into exchange liquidity. We also take another 25% and put it into reserve. That 25% that's put into reserve is put into liquidity pools. It goes into very low risk positions and allows us to be able to make interest. We're usually averaging about 10 to 12% on that every single year. And so with that type of backing, or I wouldn't like to say backing, but that type of operation, if you will, of the funds that are coming into units, it creates a lot of strong price for the cryptocurrency. And you'll see maybe, I can't really say the price is going to go up, but as funds go in, that exchange liquidity pool increases. As those funds go in, that reserve pool increases. And so that's the difference between United Coin and other cryptocurrencies. We're here for the long run. We're here to protect our investors. We're here to protect the people who are supporting us. And we're here to make sure that this part of the cryptocurrency industry is here for a long time.
Nice. Just George says, are we still in a bull run? It looks like we're in a seesaw right now. We're in a long-term bull run and part of a small bear trend. That's the best way I can describe it. So until proven otherwise.
Yes. So I'm going to tell you guys what's happening right now. There's a lot of money that is on the sideline that is waiting to see what's going to happen with these laws in this SEC case. That's what's happening right now. There's a lot of money on the sideline. They just want to know what's going to happen, and it is waiting. And it is very interesting that a lot of people are thinking that this case is going to end somewhere in the second quarter. And that's usually when cryptocurrencies start to get a recovery from what's happened at the end of the fourth quarter and the beginning of the first quarter. And so there is going to be, depending on what happens here, no one knows, right? No one knows. Literally, the decision can be changed at the very last second. You'll never know what's going to happen in these types of cases. But I will tell you, there is a lot of money on the sideline waiting to see what is going to happen with this case. There's a lot of money on the sideline waiting to see what's going to happen with the laws that are coming into place. And I will tell you, if some of these positive laws, if they come into place, you're going to see extreme changes and positively within the cryptocurrency market. Just to give one is the SEC case. Another is the laws associated with the regulations associated with cryptocurrencies in the United States. Okay. We're talking about people who've been wanting to invest in cryptocurrencies for 2 and 3 years, who have been urging politicians to put in laws so that they can invest. That's how long the money's been on the sideline, for 2 and 3 years. Okay, so they're waiting right now, and this is going to be that catalyst. I think is going to be that SEC case along with these new laws coming in that's going to really push that investment. Now, of course, don't take my word for it. Do your own research.
That said, I think if price starts moving, people are going to not wait so much. They're going to just jump in anyway. So on a technical point of view as well, if price starts going up or there's a catalyst, people are not going to wait for the SEC to. They don't care. They're going to start jumping in. It's just that, okay, more money will come in after, as Derek said, in my opinion. Thoughts on Harmony One? I like Harmony One. I do not own Harmony One. I think they are on a very good road. I think it's a little bit before their time. But what do you think, Derek?
Same there. Harmony, an amazing community. They really are on the up and up. I literally was in California when they first were coming out. I think that what they have is some very interesting technology. My biggest thing for Harmony, as I mentioned before, is again community. They have a great community. They have a great development team. These are both extremely important when growing. And then on top of that, they have, I have friends of mine who are part of their community that are in complete outreach. Okay. These guys are really looking to expand and really looking to put their cryptocurrency in the right positions, right? And that's really what you want from a team of developers and from a team of people who are behind your cryptocurrency.
Yeah.
You want them to be making smart moves, right? And Harmony is making smart moves. I really don't have any price predictions on them. I'm not really a hodler of theirs, I'll be honest. I'm really not. I didn't get in early because I had some other things I was focused on at the time. But I will tell you that I know members of their community and I am aware of aspects of their project that are coming. And I think that they're going to have a positive increase.
Awesome. Aryesh Tamar says, why did you skip my questions, man? I did not skip your questions. Your question was, Derek, can you please tell us what's up with units, why it's going up even in the downtrend? And we did. And the other question you said was, sorry, can you tell us about future plans and new listings all about United Coin? And we did. I didn't skip anything. What are you talking about, man?
One moment for me. I got to plug in.
Soul equals sometimes online. That was actually funny, man. That was actually a funny bit. In what exchanges can I buy units? Crypto J Lover. You can buy units either on Bitmart or at unitedcoin.org. You can buy your units.
Correct. And Arias Tamar, keep coming with the questions, man.
Awesome, man. And we're also going to be giving away some money in less than 5 minutes.
Yes.
Did you hear that one by Byte? Like Sol equals SOL, Solana. Sol equals sometimes online.
That's funny. That's funny.
Hi, Paul. With Ethereum having high gas fees and Ethereum 2.0 delayed, do you think this will hinder Ethereum growth? No, it shouldn't. Or it has no effect. I don't think it has any effect. If other companies take away market share from Ethereum, it actually makes the network, the blockchain, not so congested, so it actually runs better. So in a way, Ethereum's competition is a blessing for Ethereum. That's number one. Number two, as long as you're building and they have more than enough money to build, they're not going to stop. They're just going to keep on going and keep on building. They have the back, they have the support. I don't think so. Maybe other projects will pump above Ethereum, but isn't that the case every year anyway? Like Ethereum outperforms Bitcoin. Other projects outperform Ethereum until Bitcoin takes a dump and everything goes to hell. So no, I don't think it's a problem.
Yeah, I don't think it's a problem either. I will tell you though. What they're trying to do with Ethereum 2.0 is a big haul, right? They're going to do it's going to make a big difference in the entire ecosystem, and you got to get the miners on board, right? You got to get everybody on board with getting that implemented. I think when Ethereum 2.0 gets implemented, you're going to see some crazy, some amazing changes, man. I mean. As you mentioned, they're huge already. People are building on Ethereum every single day. It's the easiest blockchain to build upon, and there's a reason why the majority of new blockchains are EVM compatible. Yeah. I mean, but I mean, it is what it is.
All right, let's give away some units, man. Let's give away some money here, man. Let's give away some stuff. I mean, you have the man right here. I love your shirt, units. You see units. That's why you're wearing the shirt. Because you give
yeah, this is a test that we put out. We wanted to see if it would print out well, and it looks like it's doing pretty good. We also gave one. You're gonna see these on a couple of the artists and the musicians that were
awesome. I want a blue one.
A blue. Ooh.
I want a blue one like this T-shirt I have. But in one of those, I'll wear it on the show.
Yes, we coin? Yeah.
Yes, we coin. Yes, we coin. All right, I'll get into Nick Byington's question next. But let's just give away some units, man. Let's do a quiz, okay? You ready? You do one, and then I'll do one, and you do one, or we'll see. We'll go. We'll see how it goes. So, in order to win, let's do. It's 1,000. Should we do 3 giveaways or 2? What do you think, man? Should we do 2?
I mean, we can do 2 of 500.
Let's do 2 of 500. Let's do 2 of 500. Okay. So, Derek, do you have a riddle?
I have one, but I have to look mine up. I don't know if you have yours with you.
Sure, I have one until you look it up. Are you ready? All right.
Okay.
What's green, red, and blue spins around very fast and screams? Say that again. What's green, red, and blue spins around very fast and screams? You answer that, you get $500 of units until Derek looks up a riddle, which you could have done before the show, but you decided to do it now.
But I had it up.
What's green, red, and blue spins around really, really fast and screams? By the way, Derek, let me know when you find your riddle, man.
Okay, I got mine.
You go on? Okay. So you're not going to find this. It's actually a joke, so I'll just answer. It's a baby in a washing machine.
Oh, my gosh.
I just wanted to win some time for you to find the... Okay, so this one doesn't count. That one doesn't count. We're still giving away 1,000 units. It was just a joke. I just wanted to win some time for Derek to look up something. All right, so the way you're going to win... So the way you're going to win 500 units, all right, way you're going to win, which is what, $400 and something. You're going to answer a riddle, and Derek's going to answer the riddle right now, okay? So is everyone ready? Is everyone ready for this? People are laughing at my joke. Is everyone ready? Okay. Derek, I'm being called a troll. I am a troll. I actually am.
How can you troll your own show?
All right. Derek, are you ready? Go ahead. Let's do the riddle.
All right. This one, I will be honest. Okay, before I start this one, this is probably one of the most difficult riddles that I've encountered. Okay, this is my family giving me these riddles, right? I apologize now. Okay.
All right.
How can you take 2 from 5 and leave 4?
How can you take
2 from 5 and leave 4?
All right, I got it already.
Yeah, I know you did.
I'm not going to answer.
Please don't.
I'm not going to. I already showed my community. I'm not going to take their units, man. No. But I do know the answer. It's actually quite easy.
It is. It's not. It's easy once you know it. For me, I was just like, this is tough, and I never got it. But
all right, let's start.
I'm not really a riddle guy. I'm too analytical.
The first one who answers correctly. Google user says I5. Baron Gohan says take 2 letters away from 5. Sarth Met. Is that it?
Yeah, that was the answer. The first. Who said the IV?
IV. Google user said IV.
Yeah, that's technically the answer because you take off the F and the E and it leaves 4.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so I got it wrong.
Yeah. Oh, well, I don't know what your answer was. So
I was going to say you take 2 away from the 5th person and there's 4 left.
Oh.
Which kind of makes sense.
I can understand.
But anyway, okay. So Google user, congratulations, you won 500
Who's Google user?
Units. Though his name is Google user.
Okay.
We need Google user. We need your WhatsApp number
or your Google Voice number
or
your
Google Voice number, and we can send
your SMS or your US number if you're in the US.
So wait. What do we need?
So we need his WhatsApp number.
We need your WhatsApp number.
Right, if it's WhatsApp, and that could be the same in the United States for your regular phone number. Or if he has Google Voice and not WhatsApp, you can also use Google Voice.
All right, so do you want to make that public? Here's the trick, Google user. If you write your number down and
Or
you...
actually, well, I won't know. We won't know. You won't
No,
know.
what he can do is if he writes his number down followed by either a curse word or something like that, then it will be
Spell it out.
hidden.
Remember last time we spelled it out.
No, he can just write his number and use a curse word, and it will be hidden. No one else will be able to see it. So put your number and fuck. Sorry, or some shit like that. There goes my monetization for this video. Just lost my super chat and everything. Google user, put down your phone number followed by a swear word or two, and it'll be hidden, and I can see it, and I'll give it to Derek. Do it now so I can send it to him, or email it to me. Email it to me at paul@cryptofact. Oh, he did it. All right. Okay. No, Nick. No, that was just Nick making fun of me. He put 500 the swear word, so it's hidden. But yeah, Google user, put down your phone number and followed by a swear word. What's your email? paul@cryptofactor.net. No, I didn't see it, man. Oh man, so what should we do? Should we do a few more chats, or should we just do the second riddle? Let's just do the other riddle, man. This has been fun. Let's end this with a bang. This was fun. Let's do another riddle.
Oh, yeah, a second. You want another one?
By the way, subscribe down below if you haven't subscribed. If you enjoy these live streams, you enjoy the knowledge we bring. You get value from this. Go ahead and subscribe down below and hit that bell notification button so you don't miss the next live stream or video. Google user, by the way, I just saw your number. Awesome, man. I got your number followed by FUCK. So awesome. So it worked. It worked, man. It worked. Calm down. Calm down. I'm going to take a picture of it. I'll send it to Derek. And you'll probably get your tokens right now. Let's do it live. Shall we send them the tokens live?
Yeah, sure. That'd be awesome.
So let me just take a picture of it. I'm going to send it to you on Google. I'm going to send it to you on your WhatsApp now, Derek.
Okay,
and then you can send them the units right now live so people can see how awesome this technology is. No one has this. There you go. That's actually funny. It's a funny way of doing it. I think I'm going to do it. I think from now on, to get your tokens, you just have to write your number followed by FUCK, yeah. So it's your number, fuck yeah. That's how you get your tokens. It's going to be pretty awesome. Which wallet do you need? You do not need a wallet. That's the beauty of units. It comes to your phone. Yes, you heard that correctly. Your WhatsApp number is your private wallet. And that's how huge and awesome United Coin is. And right now, Derek, as you can see, he's just getting your number because I sent him a picture, so it's hard for him to type that, but he will send you the units right now, and you will receive them. And we'll give away another 500 units right after.
Okay.
Click that like button if you enjoy getting units, accepting units, and having fun. Go ahead, do that. Support the channel. People are like, whoa. Yeah, it is amazing, isn't it? It is amazing. This is cutting edge technology. This is, now you know why I'm in. Any project I'm in is worth it, dude. Like, it's one thing. let me explain something here. It's one thing doing sponsored videos, and it's another thing being in a project, working for a project. I work with United Coin, and I work with BitBulls. Well, BitBulls was actually my idea, right? So this is our project. Now, granted, they may be a bit slower to come out, but check out the technology here, right? This is no joke.
The funds should be sent. You should have a text there in the next 10 to 30 seconds.
Yep. So you will have your text in 10-30 seconds, and you will receive your units.
Well, that'll be the first of the open. That'll be receiving 10 units.
Oh yeah. Sorry. First, you're going to receive a test of 10 units, and then you will receive your 500 units.
Yes.
So tell us as soon as you receive your 10 units. Just let us know. Let us know in the chat. There's a bit of a lag in the chat and the live, so maybe it will take some time. Barmy says, good luck, good congrats to the winners. We still have one more winner. We still have one more riddle. As soon as Google user tells us that he got his 10 units, we'll send the rest and we'll do the next. He received it. Okay. He received the 10.
Nice.
So now let's send you another 500. So you actually get 510 units.
Yeah, buddy.
Well, wait, we'll send you another 500 now. He's asking what now? now you get rich. Now you get money. Well, not rich, but you get money. Well, if you hold on to that, it goes up, maybe.
Maybe.
So he's sending you another 500 now.
Right.
Congratulations. Google user, are you a subscriber of this channel, by the way? Just asking. You don't have to be. I'm just asking. Curious. And if you're not a subscriber, will you be a subscriber now? He got the 500. Boom. That's how fast that is. That's how fast it is. Now, GS is asking, so where is it stored?
So everything that happens on the United Coin SMS system actually is stored on the Stellar blockchain. So you have all of those transactions are being transacted and consensus is being performed on the Stellar blockchain.
Boom. There you go. So now you can you keep them by does he have some instructions he has to see so you can see how to interact and everything?
So the initial message that you receive will give you all the instructions and commands. Let me also send you a link to the videos so you can actually see the videos associated with how to use the commands.
And then we have one more question as well by Google user. It's a good one. I can answer, but I just want you to finish doing that so you don't get confused.
Okay.
And then we'll send another 500 units to someone else. We appreciate you, Google user. Thank you. GS says, so it's a number. So number is your key, which is stored on the XLM ledger.
Yes, and then also you'll receive a PIN code, and that PIN code executes the transactions on your private wallet, on your United wallet, excuse me.
Crypto J Lover is asking, can you use the app even if we're not in the US? Yes.
Yes, you can. It works in WhatsApp, so it works for everyone who has WhatsApp.
Now, that said, is there a dashboard? And yes, there is. You can actually see it on unitedcoin.org, correct?
Yes, sir. When you go up to unitedcoin.org, you actually are able to open up a free FDIC insured bank account. And you'll also receive wallets associated with United Coin units, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, and USDT that are also insured. And so once you go on there, you can open up an account anywhere in the world. And these accounts are absolutely free. No monthly fees, no overdraft fees, no account fees. There are, of course, transaction fees, and there are also fees when you purchase from the exchange if you purchase NFTs. But if you purchase cryptocurrencies, those transactions are free.
GS says, sign me up, I will buy some. You can buy some from Bitmart or the United Coin website.
Absolutely.
And welcome aboard. Now,
welcome to United Coin.
Shai is asking, how is my health? My health is fine. As long as I'm taking these tablets, I'm fine. It's just I have to keep on taking them until they stop working. When they stop working, we'll cross the bridge when we come to it. We'll just do some sort of immunotherapy or some other shit. There's a new system where they take your cells, they reprogram them, and those kill the cancer. It's a way of transplant, a new system. Came from America, awesome. But the pills seem to be working very well. They are working very well, and they're giving them minimal side effects, if any. So I'm very happy with that. Awesome. Google user is asking, do I have to sign up on the website? Well, yes. Obviously, if you want to transact with a website, yes. If not, no. Yeah, work on that website, Derek. It is painfully slow. It is, and we are working on it, by the way.
Yes, we
Explain,
are
Derek.
working on it. Yeah, definitely have growing pains right now with the website. I can tell you that. With the announcements that we've had an extreme inflow of people, and so we're working to get that bandwidth expanded to be able to be on the edge so that we are accessible by everyone much quicker than we are now. But I will tell you again, we're looking at about the end of January for that to be extremely fast, and so you guys have a much faster experience.
And keep in mind that this is a project that's a work in progress. We have the tech; it's awesome, but there's still a lot of things to be fixed and stuff. So is it fair to call it a long-term play?
I would say absolutely. We're definitely a long-term play, and right now, I mean, you'll see that there are going to be gains, and that's again because of the structure of our cryptocurrency.
Yeah.
Our actual services are all fully operational and in production. As I mentioned before, the issue that we're having now is that, and of course, you can never really foresee this, but we had an amazing launch. And over the last 30 days, we've increased our customer base by over 300%. So with an increase like that, it's kind of, you don't really see that coming, but we're happy that it happened.
Yeah. So let's do another one. Let's give away some more money, man. Let's give away some more units. Okay, another riddle.
Oh.
Another
All right,
riddle.
another riddle.
Another riddle. I love these.
Okay. Now, I will be honest, this is going to be a little bit easier.
Okay, cool. Well, they didn't take him long to figure out the one before that was harder, but okay.
Yeah, he's good, though. That guy was good.
Google user, do me a favor. Let's give somebody else a chance to win, okay?
Please.
Oh, wait. Melissa Kristen says, hi, Paul. Sorry I haven't been on lately. Been taking a break from crypto since not much movement. However, the NFT space has been so hot lately. I want units, please. Hi, Melissa. All you have to do is answer the riddle. And if you answer it first, you get 510 units, right? 10 for a test and another 500. But make sure you answer first. And just to be clear, Derek is the judge of who answers correctly, okay? So it's not my, so it's his ass, not mine. All right, let's do this.
All right, this is going to be, now everyone be quick on the keyboard because
everyone get ready because this is a riddle.
Not a hard one. This is not a hard one.
It's not a hard one, so get ready. Melissa, come on, we're rooting for you, go.
Yeah, we're rooting for you. All right. Actually, I'm rooting for everyone.
I'm rooting for everyone too. I just said it because it's like she's been trying to get a hold on units for a while.
Okay. So, are you ready? This ancient invention allows you to see through walls. This isn't the hard one. This isn't the hard one. This is the easy one.
Wheel? Window! Yes! Melissa!
Boom!
Melissa got it! Yes!
Yeah! Great. Good for you, Melissa.
Oh, man. She actually got it. I can't believe it. People
That's great. That's great. That's awesome. Good for you. Good for you.
Awesome. A lot of people got it, but Melissa got it first. Melissa, congratulations, Melissa. Well done. Awesome. All right. So, Melissa, here's what you got to do. Write down your WhatsApp number followed by FUCK. Why do I ask you to follow it by FUCK? Because if you use a swear word, I'll have to review it, but I will see the message, but no one else will see it. So just put something like your WhatsApp number followed by fuck yeah. That's all you gotta do, and we'll just do that. Melissa, it's very easy. Just put your WhatsApp number with fuck next to it, like fuck yeah or something like that. No, just write your number normally with numbers, but followed by FUCK. And the reason I'm telling you to do that is because when you put a swear word, it's hidden in the chat, but I get to see it, so I get to see your number. And I'll send it to Derek real quick, and we'll send you your units. Yeah, we'll just wait. We'll take our time. Come on, quick. That was fun, by the way.
Yeah.
Where do I find my WhatsApp number, not my phone number? Oh, you don't have WhatsApp? Could you use a phone number, Derek?
If she's in the United States, yes.
Are you in the United States, Melissa? I'm on the phone. Go to close the chat. No, don't close the chat. Don't close the chat. Just send us your... if you're in the States, just send me your phone number along with FUCK next to it. My phone, regular Canada. It's a Canada number. Is that okay?
Does she have Google Voice?
Regular number. Not a regular number. It has to be like a mobile number. A cell phone
Correct.
number.
It needs to be a cell phone number. And it can be Canada number if it's Google Voice, or if it's WhatsApp.
She has WhatsApp. I'm in California. So why do you have a Canada number? I'm confused. Well, you're in Canada, not California. Okay, I get it. So you're in Canada. I have WhatsApp. Okay, so send us your number for WhatsApp. Is that the one you sent? If it's the one you sent, it will work. Oh, okay. Google uses also in Canada, so it does work. Okay, cool. So the number you sent me, let me take a picture of it and send it to Derek real quick. I'm not sure if you have to put a country code before that, Derek, but you'll figure it out, man. Let me just send you Melissa's number here.
Okay.
Yeah, I got your number. I got your cell number with the F word, Melissa. Okay, so the chat was delayed. That's why there was a problem. Okay, there's a small delay in the chat, so don't worry. We'll figure it out. I really like this system where you just say your number but followed with a swear word, and I get to see it. No one else does. It actually makes it fun. Area code is 416. Okay, got it. So we're gonna send you $10 first, just to make sure you get it.
10 units.
10 units, just to make sure you get it. And as soon as you get that and you tell us you got it in the chat, we'll send you another 500 units. Which is roughly $400 and something worth.
Okay.
I'm on my phone, no access to laptop right now, streaming you from my iPhone. That's fine. You should still get the message. Who is Mike Jones? Derek Jones. I don't know who Mike Jones is.
That's a song. That's an artist.
Oh, okay.
And he's like, "Who is Mike Jones?"
Jack.
And there was a chorus. He'd be like, "Mike Jones, who? Mike Jones, who?" That's funny.
I closed the chat for a minute because I was looking if there's a special WhatsApp number. What? If you use WhatsApp, you should get a message with $10, well, 10 units right now.
Right.
You should already have it, right?
Right. It should be there in the next 10 to 30 seconds.
I gotta close the YouTube app to open the WhatsApp app. No, you don't. Do you? Ah, Melissa, come on, man. Okay, I was delayed. Okay, wait. So what's going on now?
So Melissa, we sent you, we created your wallet for you. You should receive a message from United Coin to your phone number. It will either come through SMS or it'll come through your WhatsApp.
Okay. Did you get a message? I just need you to confirm that message so we can send you the rest of it. What do? I don't see anything in WhatsApp.
It might have come to your regular messages.
Check your regular messages. Okay, checking. Meanwhile, it's dance. So we just gave you a Lambo and change. We gave you this Lambo, one of these Lambos, and some change. $400 and something. You can get this for a few dollars. Then the rest is yours.
I like that.
Melissa says United Coin question. Yes, United Coin.
Yes, yes. That would be the company, yes.
She got an SMS. Awesome.
Yes, wonderful, wonderful. It has been found. All right, now we will be sending the rest.
All right, so now you got an SMS. That's your wallet, and we're sending you another 500 units right now. So you're going to get another SMS, okay? Red Lambo. It's a Lambo noise. Sorry for the delay using my cell. That's okay. Everybody's waiting for you, Melissa. No one's in a rush.
Oh, it's no problem. We're just all waiting.
By the way, I got a new chair. Check this out. Check this out. It's a gaming chair.
Oh, wow. That's beautiful.
It's a gaming chair.
That is really nice.
Yeah. And the guy that sold it to me told me that this leather, it's used for the Mercedes cars. I don't know if that was real or not, if he's lying to me, but I bought it. Here,
yeah. But I bought it.
Check that out. It's really cool.
That's nice. I like that diamond leather on there. That looks fancy.
Yeah.
Is it comfortable?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Nice.
It's cool. It's a gaming chair. Gaming chairs rock.
Does it have good lumbar support?
Yep. It goes like this, and then you click it like this, and it doesn't go up. And it's so cool. You can actually bring it forward like this. So it's like, check this out. If you are into Kama Sutra, you can actually have it like this. Or if you like have a hunchback, you can have it like this and play a game like this, right? Or you can bring it back. And then if you want, you can have. I like to have it like this so it can like go back as well, so you can move around your desk. And then you can't see this part, but the arms go up, down, in, out. And it does all this funky stuff. It's actually pretty good. It's actually pretty good. It's not that expensive. It was $700, which is okay for a game. There was more expensive ones.
Oh, of course, yes.
But I like this one. I think it was cool. It does move around a little bit. It moves a little bit. That's probably why I built it. Because I built it up, I assembled it myself. but it's okay. It does its job.
Did Melissa get the 500 units?
Let's have a look. I forgot all about her. Talking about my chair. Thank you so much, guys. I'm going to tell all my Platypunk NFT friends they already know you are my favorite YouTube channel influencer. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Wait until they hear about the giveaway. Awesome. We're going to be doing this. We'll do it next week.
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it. We'll do it next Sunday as well. We'll give away another 1,000. We'll do another 1,000. What did I want to say? Did you get the other 500? So in your message, there's, okay, so just to repeat, in your first message, you have instructions on how to interact with it. And also, can you also send her like what you also sent to Google? Yeah, send her the video so we'll help her interact as well so she can do what she needs to do with it. Your phone number is your wallet, so do not give that phone number away for now. All right, she got the 500. Not sure how to claim right now. You already have them. Your phone number is your private wallet. Believe it or not. Thank you for everybody saying that's a nice chair, by the way. I really appreciate it. I love this chair, man. It's really cool. Yep, Melissa, exactly. Oh my God. This is the power of United Coin. This is what's so cool about this tech. It's stored on the Stellar blockchain. And this is United Coin. It's a bit slow. The website's a bit slow right now. We're working on it. But in general, this is awesome. Yes,
absolutely.
I hope no one knows my number. No. It doesn't matter if they know your number. It's just the way you interact with it. Because you
have. So to give everybody a little bit of an understanding to the experience of what Melissa received here, right? She received a message that had an introductory message to United Coin. In there's also a temporary pin. That temporary pin is generated to allow you to be able to execute transactions using your United wallet. Now, you can change that pin at any time. And we recommend you change it to something that you can remember easily. And so by doing that, she now has access to this wallet at any time. She can send and receive units to anyone in the world that has a WhatsApp phone number, a Google Voice phone number, or a US phone number. Okay, this is over 3 billion people in the world right now that she can send these units to and create accounts for them. Okay, when she receives those other units, those are going to be in her wallet also. And again, she has the ability to be able to see her balances. She can create wallets for other people. She can refer people to the system. And every time she creates a wallet for someone, she gets 10 units. And every time someone gets a wallet created for themselves, they receive 10 units. So that's pretty much how the United Coin system works when you get started with the United Wallet.
Awesome, man. I'm getting something here. Someone's saying, I hear you have cancer. How are you? I'm doing okay as long as I'm taking these pills. They're called Imbruvica. Ibrutinib is the actual name of the pills. The substance in the pills is actually American. They save lives. Americans save lives, man. So as long as I'm taking these pills, I don't need to do chemotherapy. I don't need to do anything else. It keeps me alive. If and when they stop working, I have to get a bone marrow transplant. Or this new thing that's American as well, where they reprogram your cells, put it back in you, and they kill cancer. So that's what's going on with my health. And then the same person says, I heard you like Safe Moon, and I'm in the Safe Moon army. No, I am not in the Safe Moon army. I don't like Safe Moon. I think it has a lot of flaws. I did go in for a trade on version 2 to ride up the hype. I don't see it going up. We'll see though. We'll see. It's a trade play. I do not recommend it in general. There's a lot of controversy. A lot of people answered and did videos, like reaction videos to my Safe Moon thing and everything, and they got the wrong message. I'd like to say this. I don't hate the Safe Moon army. I was just having some fun. I don't particularly like Safe Moon. Version 1, I don't like at all. Version 2 is debatable, but there's still a lot to look into, but I don't like some practices they do. But look, if anybody invites me to their channel from Safe Moon, these influencers that made videos about me, or anybody, or wants to come on my channel and debate me live about why I don't like it, because basically, a lot of people talk about I don't know my shit, I don't know how to research, and blah, blah, blah. Well, let's see. Debate me live. Come onto my show, I'll come to your show, and let's talk. He's just another YouTuber. I'm not just another YouTuber. That's the thing. People telling me I don't know how to do my own research, but fail to do their own research on who I am and what I do. It's ridiculous.
Yes, man. I don't know. I don't know what to say. Paul's been in this game for a very long time. I mean, we're talking about like way back, like 2017, 2018, and that's when I met him.
I mean, I've only written several books.
Yeah, like, geez.
Anyway,
I've only written books about crypto. Yes, exactly.
Regardless, what do I think about Algorand? I love Algorand. I know it's a good technology because the Exodus.io wallet, one of my favorite online wallets, is actually built on Algorand. Don't know if you know that. JB Richardson, we brought him on the channel. We talked about it as well. And when is Bitballs going to be released? Going to be released end of this month or next. Keep waiting. Thank you so much, Derek. Thank you for coming back, by the way, and thank you so much for being on this show. Go ahead, subscribe down. If you enjoyed yourself, if you got valued, if you love Derek, if you like me, go ahead, subscribe down to the channel below, hit the notification button so you don't miss the next video. And if you hate me, and if you hate Derek, subscribe anyway. No, I'm just kidding. Go ahead and dislike the video, no problem. But thank you, man. Derek, thank you for coming back. This was fun. We're doing this next week again. We'll give another 1,000 away. What do you think?
Yeah, let's do it, man. Let's do it. I love these interactions with the community, man. This is absolutely awesome. No. I'm usually in the lab, working on this thing. So it's great to come out here. Awesome.
You're getting a lot of hearts. You're getting a lot of messages. All right. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.
Blessings. Take care. Bye-bye.